Or something that you could have done in your past? I could have got good marks in my graduation.
I could have purchased new laptop, but didn't.
I didn't. Because I had no money. Or because of money problem. Like someone can say I could have become a good singer, but I just didn't because I changed my mood.
I could have purchased new truck, but I purchased agriculture land.
Like someone can say I could have shared my secrets with my friends, but I just didn't. Do you know why? Because they were not trustable. Like you can also say I could have learned English in my 9th or 10th standard, but I just didn't. Do you know why? Again I'm saying because I studied only 2 stories and 5 poems in the whole year. My friend could have joined Indian Army, but somehow he just couldn't because he was not physically fit. Something like this you can say. I could have helped you in your project, but I didn't. Do you know why? Because you were showing attitude.
I could have gone to Haryana, but I didn't.
I could have gone to Haryana, but I just didn't. Like you could have asked more interesting questions, but you just didn't. Because of, I don't know at that time, what were you thinking? Or how was your mood at that time? I could have got good marks in 10th standard, but somehow I just didn't or I just couldn't. Do you know why? Ask me why. Because of while giving exam when I was cheating, somehow my invigilator just saw me that I am cheating at that moment. Something like this maybe you can say what is something that you could have done in your past or you couldn't have done in your past. I could have also cooked delicious food, but I couldn't because you can say that my mom never taught me that how to cook delicious food, or she never shared her secret recipes with me or her secret ingredients with me. So when I participated in a singing competition in my college, so at that time I could have got first prize in singing competition, but somehow I just couldn't because I didn't sing solo. I tried for duet. So with whom I was singing, that boy was not singing well. So that's why, or due to that reason, I just got a second prize in my college. But I could have got first prize at that time. I have understood your question. I could have understood your. If you explained me in a better way, you can say that I could have become a cricketer. But I just didn't. Do you know why? Because my mom and dad did not bring me bat and ball. Or you can say that I could have become a good cricketer, but I just couldn't. Do you know why? Because someone stole my bat. I could have also made a good tea. But I just didn't. Do you know why? Because I put salt instead of sugar in my tea. So there were so many things. India could have done one more surgical strike to teach a lesson to Pakistan that we are Indians, we can do anything. You could have looked more beautiful. If you used Fair and Lovely, but you just didn't. You can say that I could have looked more handsome. If I used Fair and Handsome. That is also, I think you can say maybe, or that's how you can say. But there were so many things. You could have also become a khiladi if you If you ate विमल पान मसाला जिसके दाने दाने में है केसर का दम और something like you could have also gain inner beauty. You could have also gain inner beauty if you ate Fair and Lovely, because they say in their ad भीतर से निखारे आपको. So there are so many things you can talk about, or there are so many things which you could have done in your past, but you just somehow couldn't, or you just somehow didn't. Modi were Prime Minister of India at that time. He never gave our land to Pakistanis, or he never agreed to divide India in two parts. Never agreed. But at that time, some of political leaders tried, or I think given their 100% to divide India, or to separate Pakistan from India. You would have also cooked delicious food, but you just didn't. Do you know why? Because you forgot to put salt in the food. That boy could have caught that ball. That boy could have caught the ball, but he couldn't. Do you know why? Because he had no hands. Nehru could have done something great for this country, but he just didn't. Because at that time, or after becoming Prime Minister of India, he was enjoying his life. He was not thinking about India. He was thinking about him. Or he was thinking like, why should I think about India?